Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, we'll be discussing another illustration of the same category. That means an advanced problem which is related to valuation of goodwill under the four categories itself. Let's discuss that in detail. So that when we discuss about comprehensive problem, this is another illustration which you can use for your reference, and this is just a guidance problem you can use for your reference. So whenever you feel that you need more practice on this kind of sums, you can just go through these specific illustrations that are being provided to you, and you can understand how the valuation of goodwill is done under all these methods. So let's go with the next illustration and figure out how to calculate the goodwill using all those four methods. In this illustration, we won't be using weighted average method, we will be using a simple average method. So let's go ahead and figure that out. So we've mentioned down the sum here for your reference. We have given all the details that are needed in this specific illustration. We'll quickly go through a gist of it and then solve all the four problems simultaneously and then go ahead with the explanation. Capital employed by ABC Limited is 50 lakh rupees, that has been mentioned here. Normal rate of return is 10%, that has been also mentioned. Along with that, we have the number of years, that is 5 years. Profit has been mentioned here. If we can see the trend that has been mentioned in this illustration, it doesn't show any increasing or decreasing trend. Hence, we'll be using only simple profit method. Annuity value for 5 years is 2.6301, that has been also mentioned. So we need to find out the average profit calculating or using all these four methods. Let's go ahead with it. So if you can see in the below illustration, we have figured out the average profit and the super profit as well. Average profit is 10,82,000, which has been simply done with the total of all the profits for 5 years divided by the number of years, that is 5. That gives you a total of 10,82,000. Now the next factor is finding out the super profit, which is also very easy. Capital employed multiplied by the normal rate of return, that is 10%, which has been mentioned here. So when you get 50 lakhs multiplied by 10%, the total value is 5 lakh. So super profit is average profit minus the normal profit. That gives you 5,82,000. So 10,82,000 is the average profit, 5,82,000 is the super profit. The next two instances here we have to figure out is the annuity value and the capitalization value. So annuity value, the rate of annuity has been already provided, that is simply supposed to be multiplied with the super profit. So let's go ahead and figure out what is the annuity value of goodwill. So we figured out the annuity value also, which is the total amount of super profit 5,82,000 multiplied by 2.6301, which gives you a sum of 15 lakh. And additional values to be mentioned here is 15,30,718.2. So that's the annuity value. Let's go ahead and figure out what is the capitalization value here. So we've also figured out the capitalization value here, where the nominal value or the normal value of the business is first figured out. That means the total normal value here, which has been mentioned in this question, is capital employed divided by, or rather we can figure out the capital employed is the last part. So average profit divided by NRR. Average profit has been mentioned as 10,82,000 divided by 10%, which gives you a total of 1 crore 8,20,000. Now that is the normal value. Out of that you have to subtract the capital employed, which is 50 lakh rupees. So whatever balance you get here, which is 58,20,000, is the balance or is the value of goodwill under capitalization method. So I hope this illustration gave you a lot of details about how to solve a problem when it is related to simple average profit method. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and keep subscribing to Ekeeda.